Probably around when we get to like 500, it's gonna take a dip. Shit's weird like that. All right, shuffle week. What's next? Oh, we got a Hail Mary Mallon sighting. 4 a.m. Hail Mary Mallon. We did Whales from Hail Mary Mallon. That's Aesop Rock and Rob Sonic.
I remember that.
Yeah.
I consider myself a daredevil.
Short of breath, patient zero, hoarding pep. Drinking is habit, timing is missed. Morphine drip to the fix to the flesh. Stripping the edge of the ledge of the place where he gets to be met at the end of the day. Left to the face is a table, a tray. TV guy with a guy from the fray. Or maybe it's Clay, Anarchy Sun. Regardless, the farewell party's begun. Party of one, starting a breach. Birthing and burning, shouldering me. Into night, rest of the rap fan round and round like the death of a Pac-Man. Life of a salesman hiding his deck down. When could he just stand the rain on my yaks? Later I'll just go with phone tag to the court tells me short I rode the boat back. Hold the stove pack and get with the floor of the beehive hair with the rest on his ball. Head held high, family no joke. Grown folk broke at the antique rose show. Can't breathe right in his nose it bleeds. In his ring they sing and ring around the rosary.
I like Rob Sonic. He just feels like a poor man's Aesop. Like, yeah.
That wasn't Aesop?
Nah, it was Rob Sonic. He tries to do
like
it. Yeah, he tries to do what Aesop tries to do.
4 a.m., pouring sweat, patient zero, courting death. Use your illusion to move as a wounded gazelle on a moonlit future in hell. I'm a loser. Room with a mutable stupor. No real room to acutely maneuver a shoe. Never mind two in a sequence. He get down to the root of the defect. Peep. Pool is a pool full of deep ends. Proving a movable defense. You in the beautiful breach, unusually moody and losing a beach head. Raps in a wall, tap out drums and amassing a non-retractable clause. This old man, he plays actual odds on these detachable jaws. Not for the fango, mosh in a pain cold dime in a day by impossible day. Frogtown creep in a sensible car, no caution or obvious sense of tomorrow. Spit shake might stick or break the right nicely or instigate tonight's crises. Sample the you scream, I scream. Break up his eyes, go ice cream.
It was eyes go ice cream. Is that what he said?
He said might create tonight's crises. Yes, it means about to end.
Spit shake might stick or break the right nicely or instigate tonight's crises. Sample the you scream, I scream. Break up his eyes, go ice scream. It's already down. It's already down. It's already down.
Yeah.
That's not the best song off that album, though. That's not the best song off that album. It's definitely not.
It makes you think about Manhattan and 4 a.m.
It definitely like
nights.
I remember riding my bike around the fucking city. That shit used to be fun and shit. Them days is pretty much done.
No.
I guess no done for my old ass. It's 4 a.m. I'm sleeping.
Word.
I'm in my bed. Ain't gonna be no riding bikes. I tell you that much. Definitely not no skateboard.
All right, Grand Theft Auto.
Yeah, exactly. That's it. All right, the mean about that. And how you feel, Jay? You wanna